Exhale. 2 more times. Inhale in a little bit more. Exhale. This time we're going to inhale in our stories. Exhale. Beautiful. All right, everybody ready for the day? All right, let's stay. Good afternoon again, everybody. Hey, more about them. So today we have the opportunity to, continue our conversation around emotions, but more so in the framing of storytelling. So we brought the movie Soul back into play. We talked about story structure from beginning to middle to end, and the stories that they shared last time, they were able to break their stories down into those sections as well. Students, they really enjoyed the creative process. So we talked about all of the things, and they were super excited to get over here and create again, inspired by their stories and or their partners. So here we go with the presentations for this week.